Okay, now assume sometimes if you pay early, your supplier will give discount for you. Now, for an example, for this 250,000 invoice, you are paying early, and that supplier will give you a 10,000 discount. In that case, you can select that invoice and you can enter discount here, and you can change that paid amount to 240,000, and you can process this supplier payment. Okay, if you pay early, or if your supplier giving special discount, you can enter that discount in when you are processing the payment, or if your supplier giving discount, you can enter from when you are entering supplier invoice. And if your supplier giving additional discount after supplier invoice, you can enter that discount when you are processing supplier payment. Okay, such as early settlement discount, those things you can settle from, or you can enter when you are processing the supplier payment. And you can process, so there are two options. You can email detailed payment voucher. You can send a detail or summary, or you can print detailed payment voucher. It will display that invoice wise, supply invoice wise detail, or you can print that summary. Then it will not display that supply invoice wise amounts. It will display only total. Okay, now you can enter that supplier payment. You can check that discount, and if you are paying advance payment to supplier without selecting invoice, you can do the payment. If you are paying advance payment, you can just enter that payment amount, and payment method you can select payment date, check number, and you can select the bank account. If you are paying advance payment, you don't want to select invoices, you can just enter payment amount, and you can process the supplier payment. Okay, in addition to this, from supplier transaction, you can enter supplier payments from this banking also. Go to banking, transaction, banking. Select the bank account, and you can enter the date and change type to supplier. Select supplier here. Enter amount. And from here, you can select that payment paying invoice. Okay, you can do the supplier payment from this banking module also. Go to banking, transaction, banking, select bank, change type to supplier, select the supplier, enter amount under spent. By clicking this arrow, you can open this outstanding list and you can select that invoice you are going to pay. Okay, after that you can save. And also when you are paying time also, if you want, you can select your analysis code. From here you can select your analysis code. Okay, you can take a couple of minutes and you can check that analysis code, and you can do the payment from banking module. Okay, before next session, if you can please enter a few supplier invoices and supplier payments, then we can do that allocate payments. And if you have any questions, you can ask, and also appreciate if you can give any comments on that speed and that practice time. It will helpful for improve our lecture sessions. And please, if you can give any comment on this speed and practice time, we can improve our lecture sessions. So we will stop for today, and if you have any questions, you can ask now. Okay, next session we will complete this supplier transactions and we will move to supplier reports. If you have any questions, you can ask, and also we will share that user manuals within this week. You can refer that notes also, and also please view that. You can go through that session videos also, and if you have any questions, you can ask before the session or after the session. Okay, then thank you very much. Have a good night.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chandra.